Hi, very good morning, traders from TradeWest. September 1st, Wednesday, what a day. Today, market opened gap up. After a lot of consolidation yesterday, so I'm looking for a long entry. So it has touched the yesterday's high and also R1. I made an entry here in 36,900 CE at 79.58. We'll take R3 as the target. Today is a wonderful day, like Wednesday, right? So we will use the momentum that will be there on Wednesday. Stop loss I'm setting at 60. Very wonderful candle, making a very good lower wick above R2. Fantastic candle. So people get bored when there is a lot of consolidation happening, but you know, consolidation is an opportunity. It's a bomb to about to explode. And if it happens on Tuesday, you should be very glad about it. Like Wednesday being a momentum day. Sorry for yesterday, I didn't have any trade to share. Many of you have asked. Okay, so if it is a stop loss, we will take stop loss. So there is no attachment to anything, any result here. And if it is a profit will take a good profit as well. If it crosses 36,700, it should reach 36,800 for sure today, or even 36,900. So downside, it may, if it crosses 36 to 60, then it will be a fall. So one way there will be a lot of momentum. Almost at the end of the candle, so it's sustaining the lower wick, and as well as closing above yesterday R2. Okay, right now it has come down. We'll wait. The gap is very less below, insignificant, and already half of the gap is filled. Okay. The only concern is if it forms two red candles, then there'll be a concern. Below R2. Okay, this also forming a lower wick. So after being range bound, it has made a breakout. So I'm sure it should sustain. Okay, very good. Right now, we'll see if it crosses the high, or even if it sustain above R2, that should be good enough. There is not much of momentum. Yeah, so now very good candle this one. Okay, so we are almost near our target. Almost above 100. We have made more than 30%. So we'll go by indices. Okay. Fantastic. Almost at the last minute of the candle. Wonderful bullish. Very good. They're almost near 36,700 now. Okay, so this candle has been very good. Crossed the high of the previous candle and as well as lower wick, but only the small upper wick. If it was Marubozu, it would have been very good. Let's wait for the next candle. Excuse me. Okay. Not only like we want the target to be reached, but also the target to be reached in a very short span of time. That will give us, because we are using the options to execute our trades. Like we focus on momentum and velocity with which we reach the target. It is coming down. Mm, 26. Still above 100. Okay, so very good comeback, forming a lower wick. Okay, great. So great moment here. 36,700 has been crossed now, almost at the cross. Still 2 plus minutes. Okay, looking at the size of the candles, it has been bullish. It will further continue to be bullish. We'll see if this candle reaches the R3, then we should wait. We should, okay, so it is forming a upper wick now. Not a problem. It has been sustaining this above 700. So very good move, and like if it sustains in this candle, definitely 36,800 possible. We'll see. Okay, fantastic. Almost above 140 now. Okay, great. We will definitely wait for the next 36,800. Let's see. We have taken the target one already. Okay, made a very good move. 36,800 should be a good level. Or R3 I thought, but okay. The previous candle did not close above R3. That is one of the problem. But 36,800 is what we look for. Made a very The RSI is in oversold. Okay, very good comeback. Formed a lower wick. We'll wait for the this candle and we'll exit. Very good. Three bullish candles being formed. Still 2 plus 2.5 minutes here. Okay, very good. We can't be anticipating all this kind of move every day. Almost this is 1 is to 3 risk reward in index. Very good, fantastic. We will exit here.